What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video we are going to go over the 100 most popular stocks on Robinhood. And if you like that kind of stuff, smash the like button. So Apple is the number one top of the market cap at $2.42 trillion with a market price of 151. We have Microsoft, Alphabet Class C, Alphabet Class A, you got Amazon. Those are all the top $1 trillion markers. Now, Facebook was up here recently. Tesla is slowly creeping up to the $1 trillion mark, but Tesla would be next at $950 billion with a $303 price target. It's nice seeing Amazon too on a low price target at only 124 compared to the recent price targets. Berkshire Hathaway, $612 billion market cap. Johnson & Johnson, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, Visa, Meta Platform, which was formerly Facebook, ExxonMobil, Walmart, JP Morgan Chase, SPDR S&P 500 ETF. Now, I have done a video recently on this within the last couple of days. I'll leave a card above so you can check it out. NVIDIA, Bank of America, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. I did a video on that also. You could check that out. Pfizer, Coca-Cola, Alibaba. These are all in the billion-dollar market caps. Costco, Disney, Nike, Invesco, Triple Q. Been hearing a lot of things about that in commercials. I'll be doing a video on that here pretty soon. So subscribe so you don't miss that. Salesforce, AMD, Intel, AT&T, PayPal, Netflix, Starbucks is all the companies above $1 billion or $100 billion market cap. And then you have Sony, Boeing, Airbnb, Target, GE, Uber, Ford Motor at almost $60 billion market cap. And the reason why I'm showing you guys all these as well is because, one, it puts a idea in your head of what other companies are out there that you can possibly invest in. Maybe you've heard of Ford, but you haven't heard of Uber. Or maybe you've heard of Uber, but you haven't heard of Target or Block or Realty-O. Maybe you've heard of Shopify, but you've never heard of, a lot of other companies that are on this list. It's also able to show you the market price, the market cap, how much money they have, and on average what they're moving today percent-wise. Like Ford was down 0.5 point, but Shopify down 5.5. Moderna is up almost 2%. So it's just a nice visual to see. So you got GM, Moderna, Shopify, Realty Income. Oh, I like that company very much. Block, Energy Transfer, Rivian Automotive. I've never heard of that one. I'll probably be checking that one out after this video. Twitter, Neo, Lucid Group. I've actually done a video in the last week on Neo and Lucid Group. Go ahead and check those out. Lucid Group has a new battery that has a longer range and better horsepower performance than any of the Tesla models. So definitely check that video out. I go into detail on it. Nokia, Roblox, Zoom, SiriusXM, which I have in my car right now. I listen to it every day. Southwest Airlines at $20 billion. Delta Airlines. I have a video on both. Delta Airlines was more recent. Snap, Marathon Oil, Coinbase. Yes, Coinbase has its own ticker symbol, coin, and they're at $16.64 billion. This is a great way to invest in crypto outside of crypto without getting involved with any of it, I guess, because it is a stock. But I use Coinbase, and I have a ton of videos on Coinbase. I'll leave a card above, and I talk about like NFTs, which are now on the Coinbase marketplace, as well as other different tokens you may not have heard of, and cryptocurrencies you may not have heard of either. I have a whole playlist on cryptocurrencies. Palantir Technologies, Carnival, Royal Caribbean Group, United Airlines, Robinhood Markets. Robinhood does have its own ticker symbol. Symbol is Hood, which is cool. Market cap is $9 billion. So wouldn't that be crazy to buy Robinhood shares on the Robinhood app while using the Robinhood app? That's pretty crazy. American Airlines, GameStop, ARK Innovation ETF, DraftKings. I've heard good things about them. I know Gary Vee markets DraftKings a lot. Rolls-Royce. That'd be a crazy company to get involved with, right? To buy into. But the price looks like it's only at 87 cents. That's nuts. I'll have to look into this one more. Rolls-Royce. I'm going to add this to my list. That one's interesting. I don't know. Norwegian Cruise Line. ChargePoint. For all the Teslas out there. SoFi Technology. AMC Entertainment. Rhythm Capital. But this is formerly known as NRZ, or New Residential Investments. They did change their name. And I have another video on that I recently did. It's amazing how many videos I've done recently. I've been doing one every single day. I haven't missed a beat in almost 30 days. I think I'm on day 28 or 29. BlackBerry, Peloton Interactive. Those are those Peloton bikes you see. Prospect Capital, JetBlue Airlines, Nikola, Tilray Brands, Fuel Cell Energy, Canopy Growth, Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Now, I did buy in with CPRX about a year or two ago, and I was getting in at like the $5 or $6 mark, so I did make a little bit of money there. Virgin Galactic Holdings, Kronos Group, Clover Health Investments, Riot Blockchain, GoPro, still around $5.61. It really hasn't moved too much. I remember it was around $8, I believe, 2 years ago when I bought my GoPro Hero 7. So, I mean, it hasn't really moved much. It's actually gone down. Digital World Acquisition, Fubo TV, Context Logic, Bio Nanogenomics, SNDL, Workhorse, which I was going to do a video on this when it was like in the $11, $12. I think it even got to $18. And that was about a year ago. Now it's at $3. That's horrible. Invesco Mortgage Capital, or IVR. It's so funny. I just did a video on this yesterday. So go ahead and check that video out. Okujin Inc., Aurora Cannabis, Organigram, and Centro Electric Group Limited. Now, it's pretty crazy. The share price on the low end would be the Rolls-Royce. That's 87 cents. That's definitely a penny stock. Quite a few penny stocks on here. And then the highest price of all these 100 most popular stocks would be Costco. Interesting. Costco at $504. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun to make, and I will see you in the next video.